Pergola lighting fixtures corroding outdoors? You gotta switch to weatherproof lighting if you want those lights to last through rain, sun, and all that craziness outside. So, here's the scoop. First off, always pick lighting fixtures labeled weatherproof or rated for outdoor use. If your pergola is in a spot that gets wet or humid, go for materials like stainless steel or brass. They don't rust easy. Next, seal any electrical connections with waterproof tape or silicone to keep moisture out. Also, try hanging your lights under the pergola's beams or roof to shield them a bit from direct rain. If you're using bulbs, LED ones are not just energy saving but also handle outdoor conditions better. Clean your fixtures regularly to get rid of dirt and grime because that stuff can speed up corrosion. Don't forget to check your wiring once in a while for any wear or damage. Finally, if you're replacing old fixtures, make sure the new ones fit well with your existing setup so installation is smooth and safe. One of the biggest mistakes people make with pergola lighting corrosion is using indoor fixtures outside. Those just aren't built for weather changes, so they rust fast. Fix it by swapping them for outdoor rated lights. Another issue is poor sealing around wires and connections. Water sneaks in and ruins everything. Simply apply waterproof tape or silicone sealant to keep moisture out and avoid electrical shorts. The third common problem is neglecting regular maintenance. Dirt and debris buildup can trap moisture and cause corrosion over time. Make cleaning your outdoor lights a habit every few months to keep them shining and rust-free. BigHomeProjects.com makes it super easy for homeowners to find trusted local contractors who really know their stuff when it comes to outdoor lighting and other home projects. Contractors also get to connect with folks needing work done, helping build their business without all the hassle.